Welcome to part 4 of the online results checker design. Okay, so we are still on step 7 where we are linking each class result sheet to the PIN database. Let's continue. We were on primary and I was saying that when I started the part 3 video, I mentioned that when you are entering the information of your students into the primary result sheet, ensure you enter it class by class, starting from primary 1 to primary 2 to primary 3 up to primary 4 or primary 5 or primary 6, depending on where your terminal class gets to. So it will help when you link it here. By the time you put the first one here and you drag down, it will follow that same pattern the way you have arranged it on the primary result sheet. Is that okay? So all you have to do to know where to get to is to know, okay, how many students do I have in total for GSS 1, Primary 1, Primary 2, Primary 3, Primary 4, Primary 5 and Primary 6, and then you will just drag it down to that point. And of course, if you have entered the names of the admission number of all your students, you will keep seeing it as you are dragging it down. So it will give you indication of where you are meant to stop. Is that okay? So you just keep dragging, you keep dragging, you keep dragging till you get to the last student for that entire primary sheet. Then by the time you are done with primary, you move on to do the same thing for the GSS. You move on to do the same thing for the GSS, equal sign again, then you go to the GSS result sheet and then you enter this. Can you see? So you drag it down. All right, so I'll go back to the GSS result sheet and I'll change it a little bit. I want to make this one J1 like this. I want to do it like this, okay, so that it will be GSS 1. So when I get to GSS 2, I will change the J1 to J2. It makes it unique like that. It makes it unique. So this one will be the second student, okay. Then you will copy. You copy and paste. You copy and paste. So that's how to do. By the time you are done with entering the names of the admission number of all the students in GSS 1 and the names and everything, you proceed to GSS 2. Now let's go and check the PIN database. Can you see that the editing I did is reflecting here? So you go ahead and do the same thing for the senior class. You go ahead and do the same thing for the senior class. So when you are done linking the admission number, the same process is needed. The same process is needed to link the class, to link the class and the student's name. The same process is needed, but let me show you a shortcut you can use. Now check this one. This is A9, right? Let's go to the pre-nursery sheet. This is column A. The student name is on column B. The class is on column C. So by the time you come back to this PIN database, you copy this one. If you copy it like this and you paste it here, this one will be, you will change this A9 to C9. Then you fill it. You copy it and paste it for the name too. B is name is on column B, so you change the A9 to B9. Then you enter. Can you see? It makes it easier. Is that okay? So that's how you do for all the classes too, for the class and the student's name. And for the usage count, ensure you enter 0. Just enter 0 and drag the 0 down for all your students. Enter 0 and drag the 0 down for all your students. enter 0 and drag the 0 down for all your students. Is that okay? So next, proceed to the next step. The next step is 8. You will have to prepare the passport photograph of all your students the same way you prepare the logo. You know, you can do that later. When you have the pictures of all your students on your laptop, you just pick it one by one and then you put the link. Let me show you how you can do it so that you won't make mistakes with the okay, let's say for this one now. This one is my signature. So I put signature there to be able to know that okay, this particular link is signature. So student A, or the name of the student, let's say the name of the student is student A, you put the link for that student's passport photograph in front like this. You can create another sheet somewhere to put all of that there and you are good to go. Okay, let's see what we have in step 9. So for step 9, we are going to continue it from another video. We are going to start the step 9 from another video. Okay, that's step 9. We are starting it from another video.